Good morning everyone. Today we will learn E and I sound words. E-G, B-E-G bag, K-E-G cake, L-E-G leg, P-E-G peg. E-D, B-E-D bed, R-E-D red, F-E-D fed, L-E-D led, W-E-D wed. E-N, T-E-N ten, D-E-N den, P-E-N pen, M-E-N men, H-E-N hen. E-T, B-E-T bet, J-E-T jet, M-E-T met, P-E-T pet, W-E-T wet, G-E-T get, N-E-T net. E-B, W-E-B web. Now I sound words. I-G, B-I-G big, F-I-G fig, P-I-G pig, D-I-G dig, W-I-G wig, J-I-G jig. I-T, B-I-T bit, H-I-T hit, P-I-T pit, F-I-T fit, W-I-T wit, S-I-T sit, L-I-T lit. I-M, D-I-M dim, R-I-M rim, H-I-M him, S-I-M sim, V-I-M vim. I-N, B-I-N bin, T-I-N tin, F-I-N fin, W-I-N win, P-I-N pin. I-P, D-I-P dip, P-I-P pip, R-I-P rip, Z-I-P zip, L-I-P lip. I-B, B-I-B bib, F-I-B fib, N-I-B nib, R-I-B rib. I-X, F-I-X fix, M-I-X mix, S-I-X six. So you will read like this: E sound words and I sound words. These are E sound words and these are I sound words.